You've probably never tasted beef this delicious. Cut the beef into thin slices. Then chop the onion into small pieces, and do the same with the garlic. In a bowl, add the beef, mayonnaise, ketchup, and mustard. Season with salt, paprika, and black pepper. And mix everything well. Melt some butter in a pan and fry the onion and garlic until they become golden. Then add the prepared beef and cook for 15 to 20 minutes on medium heat. Towards the end, add parsley and mix everything together. And that's it. Serve the dish with rice or another side of your choice. Enjoy your meal.